Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions. This is how to enhance video quality on Capcut PC. So first one is open up your Capcut, and from here just simply go to the import on the top left over here and just simply import a video or a picture based on your preferences, and now you will add it into the import tray, and you can just simply click and drag it into the project file over here. And now I have a sample video over here. So guys, in order for you to enhance the video quality of your video, just simply go to the adjustment over here on the top right corner of the screen, and you will have here different options of the adjustment. So from here you could adjust the temperature to blue, so you will have a blue effect, and as you can see, you should be able to see the effects on the preview right away. And you can just simply play around with this. So from here guys, as you can see, if we scroll down further, we will have here sharpen. So I like to have my video to be sharpened and add a little particles. And from here, I like to have a bit of contrast on my video. And from here, you can just simply play around with these adjustments, and you should be able to have a good video into your Capcut. And now you could just simply select export at the top right, and from here you could enhance it even more by going for the resolution and going for the 4K, and also the bit rate will be higher. So pretty much this will be depending on you, and that's simply about it. Thanks for watching.